Okay, so today we are going to be installing the Bimini top for the wake tower on our boat, and we just ran into a huge problem, which we bought this off of eBay. It looked like a reputable company when we researched it, but there is legitly no instructions on how to put this thing together to be able to put it up on top of that over there. So I guess I'm going to reference the photo off of eBay for what they posted it for and go from there, but I'm going to be contacting them and let them know, like, wind's like blowing. I'm going to contact them and let them know, like, this is ridiculous. Like, we need some sort of instructions to be able to put this kind of stuff together. So I guess follow along and I'll show you guys what we're going to be doing. First things first, let's take a look at the listing. Let's see if we can kind of get a hint of how this thing goes together. I know the two bins with the 3 screws, those are going to be the middle pieces, wrap around there. So yeah, okay, so here's some instructions. You got one pipe there, you got one pipe there. You got all these pieces here. 2 of them are arms for the actual. I checked everything and I got nothing. Thank you. You keep calling it an excursion. Buy more cards, I know. Put that in there. Oh, wait, hold on. Well, it's not locking. There it goes. Okay. Now, there's another piece here. This. Okay. Okay. Put your end in. Now it should kick up.
So you need to, I think, slide that in some.
Goes to what? Where does
so these go on here.
Well, I figured that, but is this the front or is this the front?
This is the front. This is the back. So, okay, let's walk this over to the boat. Hey, come with us, guys. We're still doing this in our work clothes. This is how excited we are. Get shade. Yeah, because last time, as you can see, I got pretty burnt up.
But do we need to put this the cover on before we try putting it?
Probably found the instructions. No.
I was about to laugh at you for not properly looking.
Really? So there's supposed to be a cutout for, yep, the anchor hole. Anchor hole goes towards the bottom there.
Oh, it's just Velcro.
Yeah. Once it gets on top, all you got to do is, I can do that. Just set that aside. Okay. You can lift this by yourself, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Hold that. I'm going to jump in. Man, there's like so many freaking leaves already.
Coming out of my cage and I've been doing just fine. Gotta be down because I want it all. It started out with a kiss. How did it end up like this? It was only a kiss. It was only a kiss. Now I'm falling asleep and she's calling a cab while he's having a smoke and she's taking a drag. Now they're going to bed and my stomach is sick and it's all in my head, but she's touching his chest now. He takes off her dress.
cool. It's sitting lower. Okay, everybody, so got her on. Check it out. Looks way better. Definitely gonna have some shade for the summer as we're running around on the water. And yeah, that was a pain in the butt. We're gonna definitely leave a review on that. As you guys can see here, the rubber is not quite just enough. So I'm trying to get a good close look up of that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna order a roll of this rubber that we can use for the piping, and we're going to redo the rubber pieces so that it's got a tighter fit to it. Doesn't have like that. And then I'm going to do some readjustment on the other side where it's kind of leaning a little bit more on the port side than the starboard side. So yeah, yeah, that pretty much wraps this video up. And I know it's a super simple install, but this hopefully will help keep some of the stuff and debris out of here while we're waiting for our cover to come in. Once the cover comes in, then we'll get the cover put on it. We're gonna get it cleaned up really good, get the cover put on it. Then it'll help keep a lot of this debris out, because as you guys can see here, we have a whole bunch of leaves and everything still in there, and I'm still in the process of cleaning, so I haven't really done too much with it. So yeah, we're gonna get this finished up and go test it out probably this weekend. So yeah, see you guys on the next one.